What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about luck? It's about following 5 simple rules. Most people never learn these. They go through life working hard, earning money, and somehow ending up with nothing to show for it. Today, that changes. I'm going to walk you through the 5 money rules that can transform your financial life, starting right now. Rule number 1. Embrace the abundance mindset. Here's the truth: your relationship with money starts in your head. If you grew up believing that money is hard to get, that rich people are lucky or dishonest, or that wealth just isn't meant for someone like you, that belief is costing you every single day. An abundance mindset means you genuinely believe there is enough money in the world for you. There are opportunities all around you. Other people's success doesn't take anything away from yours. When you shift from, "I can't afford this," to, "How can I afford this?" you stop shutting doors and start opening them. This isn't about positive thinking fluff. It's about rewiring how you see every financial decision you make. Rule 2. Overcome the fear of spending. Now, this might sound counterintuitive. Aren't we supposed to save money? Yes. But here's the problem. A lot of people are so afraid of spending that they never invest in themselves, never buy tools that would make them more money, and never enjoy the life they're working so hard to build. Money is a tool. A hammer sitting in a drawer doesn't build anything. Fearful spending, where you agonize over every purchase and feel guilty after every transaction, is just as dangerous as reckless spending. The goal is intentional spending. Spend on things that grow your skills, your health, your income, your joy. Stop punishing yourself for every dollar that leaves your account. Rule 3. Educate yourself about money. Schools didn't teach you this. Most parents didn't teach you this. And that's not an excuse, it's a starting point. The people who build real wealth are students of money. They read books on personal finance. They understand how taxes work, what compound interest does, how debt functions, and what assets actually are. You don't need a finance degree. You need curiosity and consistency. Read 1 financial book a month. Watch credible content. Follow people who have built what you want to build. The more you understand about money, the fewer expensive mistakes you'll make, and the more confident you'll feel making decisions. Rule 4. Invest. Saving money is not enough. Inflation eats your savings alive. The only way to truly build wealth is to put your money to work. That means investing in stocks, index funds, real estate, a business, or your own skills. You don't need a lot to start. You need to start. Even small amounts invested consistently over time, thanks to compound interest, become life-changing sums. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting until they have enough to invest. There is no enough, there is only now. Open an account. Make your first investment. Learn as you go. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Rule 5. Define your financial goals. This might be the most overlooked rule of all. Most people want to be rich, but they've never sat down and actually defined what that means for them. How much money do you need to feel free? What does your ideal life look like? When do you want to retire? What are you working toward? Without a clear goal, your money has no direction. With one, every financial decision becomes easier. You know what to say yes to and what to cut. Write your goals down. Make them specific. Give them a timeline. Your goals are the map. Without them, you're just wandering. So there you have it, 5 money rules that can genuinely change your financial future. Abundance mindset, intentional spending, financial education, investing, and clear goals. None of these require you to be born rich. None of them require a lucky break. They just require a decision to start. So here's my challenge to you. Pick 1 rule from today and take 1 action on it before the day is over. That's it. 1 rule, 1 action. Your dream life is not out of reach. It's just waiting for you to take it seriously. If this helped you, subscribe, share this with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one.